Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to email Amazon customer service. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, when you simply Google search about Amazon's customer service email, you might find one somehow randomly. However, Amazon does not prefer the customers reaching out to them via email. So they have not provided any valid email through which we can contact them. So the most effective ways to talk with their customer service is through their app. So launch the app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Here you can see the three lines icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Now choose this customer service option. Here you can see lots of categories. So you can tap on this view all on your related category. You can choose any topics. And at the bottom you can see I need more help option. Tap on it. Now you will find two options, whether to chat with them or request a phone call. So through these methods, you are more likely to get response from Amazon customer service rather than the email. So you can select your preferred method over here and talk with the Amazon customer service. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.